Hello everyone, this is my welcome video. As I mentioned before, my name is Maria Hegblom. You are welcome to call me Maria. If that feels a little uncomfortable, you could call me Dr. Hegblom or Professor. Don't call me Mrs. Hegblom because that's not my name. That's my mom. I'm not ready for that yet. I have been teaching at Bridgewater State University for 10 years, and I have taught this class almost that entire time. I've taught it in its online version maybe about 5 times. So I'm still tinkering with the course, trying to get it to be as good as it can be online. So anything that you see that you think is working really well or not working very well, I'd love to hear about it. Shoot me an email. In addition to teaching, I do a few other things. I like to cook and hike, and I have 2 children. My son is 13 and my daughter is 8. So that keeps me pretty busy between work and at-home work. I think, as I mentioned, this is a course I've tinkered with quite a bit. I'm always looking to try to improve the course so that it works well for students. I think that the information that you gain in this course is really important for your success as a student in general and for your success in life. Being able to evaluate and find information to use it well is a set of skills that will serve you well beyond just writing research papers. So it can be a little boring, I think, for students, but I do think it's really important. And the last thing I just want to say about the class is that it is online, and unfortunately that means for me, and every time I've taught it, is that more students fail this course than would fail a face-to-face class with me. I think the biggest reason is that it's easy to forget about it. So I've included some online learning tips. I hope that you will go and look those over. I think people who do stay in the class, who do the work, who turn everything in, they do quite well. I tend to give out quite a few A's and B's in this course, and then quite a few F's. So I strongly encourage you to be an A or B student in this class, to make sure you stay on top of the weekly assignments, and to please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. I'm looking forward to working with all of you this semester, and have fun.